Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to create this floral moon. For starters, I will show how I used a tool, and I got the circle, and then you can go ahead and race a little bit, and then you're going to need like another half circle for the crescent moon. Or if you feel as though you can freehand it too. Or sometimes if you have even like a Tupperware lid or even like a coffee can, they come in handy, or a candle too, they come in handy as well. So there's some options there. And I did go ahead and start with the background first. I used, I do show it, but I'll show it again, the Schmincke Aqua Drops there. It's just indigo. And then for the florals, after the background is dry, I go ahead and I chose all blues. So if you want yours pink and yellow, that's absolutely fine, but I'm just going to go ahead here. It's like a Prussian blue, and I just watered it down to create some different like variation in the roses here. And then a lighter blue from the Art Philosophy set. And then this is like a really like deep purplish blue. And that one was from the Art Philosophy set as well. And that's about it. This is a really easy tutorial, and let's jump right in. That I've finished up with my background, I am going to leave how you can see the texture, and some areas are a little bit darker and lighter, and then I had the purple throughout the middle here. So all of that is done, and if you want yours to be smooth, I would suggest using like a bigger brush and go back and forth with your blending. If you don't like the cauliflower texture, I personally really like that. It almost gives it like a tie-dye effect. And now we're going to go on to the moon and pick out some colors for the florals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and be sure to subscribe and like the video and stay tuned for more.